This is a foam roller exercise for the quadriceps, which is 4 muscles that make up your thigh. I'm going to primarily focus on the vastus medius, which is on the inside, and the vastus lataris, which is outside. And that's where most people have tension. To get into position for this, I'm going to be face down, starting above your knee, elbows down, opposite leg off to the side, and you're going to use those arms and legs to roll up and down your thigh. Top of the knee, all the way up to the bottom of your hip. So you're going to go rotate inside to get that vastus medius, and then you can rotate the other way to get that vastus lataris. If you find a trigger point, I'm going to sit there and hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. You can also flex that leg and extend while you're holding that tension on the trigger point.